Most buyers view a neighborhood's dining scene as a convenience. Elite investors, they view it as a leading economic indicator. Today, we're applying the foodie test to Metro Atlanta. I'm going to show you why high-end restaurant anchors aren't just for dinner. They are the most accurate proxy we have for long-term property value appreciation. Welcome back to the Atlanta Property Value Detectives. I'm Pete Bausch with HomeSmart. If you're looking at a real estate investment in Alpharetta, you have to look past the house. You have to look at the pedestrian infrastructure. Restaurants like Osteria Matone or Culinary Dropout aren't just opening doors. They are signaling that municipal planners, developers, and data-driven landlords have already validated the local walkability and household income density. Here is the forensic reality. High-end restaurants operate with proprietary data that you don't have access to. They know where the capital is flowing, where the zoning permits are accelerating, and where the household income is clustering. When you see a cluster of high-end, chef-driven concepts, you aren't seeing vibe. You are seeing a 36-month growth projection. Look at the North OTP corridor. The density of these lifestyle anchors creates a value halo effect. Properties within a 1-mile radius of these walkable hubs outperform the general market annually. It's not about how far you are from the kitchen. It's about how many steps it takes to get to the community pulse. While general sentiment suggests the market is still lightning fast, the actual performance data tells a more nuanced story for investors. In Alpharetta, we've seen the median cumulative days on market shift from 6 days in 2024 to 10 days in 2025, and now 15 days YTD in 2026. This isn't a market slowdown in the traditional sense. It's a necessary market maturation. For professional investors, this expansion from 6 to 15 days is your most valuable asset. It's no longer about winning a blind bidding war, but about having the time to analyze which growth corridors actually provide the lifestyle-driven return on investment you're looking for. The investor's trade-off used to be commute time versus price. The new paradigm is walkability versus long-term equity. Investors who ignore the local dining anchor are buying static assets. Those who hunt the foodie test are buying into growth corridors. Don't just look for a house near a restaurant. Look for the neighborhood where the restaurant is the anchor of a deliberate development strategy. Understanding how neighborhoods change is only half the battle. You also need to ensure the home you're buying has the structural integrity to hold that value. Download our free ebook, Architectural Soul and Curb Appeal Blueprint, to understand the specific architectural features that keep your investment appreciating over time. Link is in the description. If you want to know which Atlanta neighborhoods are currently failing the foodie test and which ones are about to break out, reach out to me, Pete Bausch, at 770-617-7720. Let's make sure your next Alpharetta real estate move is based on market-validated strategy, not just a good dinner. I'm Pete Bausch. See you in the next episode.